Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up female health tracking on your AMAZFIT Active Max. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and open up the apps. Now here in the apps, you want to find a specific app. So you need to scroll a bit down and now go over to cycle tracking. So basically this is the period, the predicted fertile window, and the ovulation day. So here we want to accept it with the check mark. Now select the date of the last period. So I'll select the 5th of January. Now the period duration, I'll set it to, let it be 5 days. And menstrual cycle, we can try and set it at 29. And as you guys can see, after the cycle predictions and reminders are enabled, the device will remind you according to your physiological rhythms. So press on the check mark, and here you guys can see everything. You guys can also edit this, like the first day, and now it looks like this. So the last day, let it be like that. As you guys can see, this is how it would look like. So this is how you guys can easily set up the health tracking, and that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.